And there is another way of using Llama I didn't share with you yet, namely, using Dataplicity, we can host an internet simple web page through which we can chat with Llama instead of SSH. All of that with only one simple command. Inside of llama.cpp directory, we need to activate server executable using sudo, so sudo./server with parameters -m, and here we need to provide path to our model. In our case, it's models 7b and that ggml model q70bin. To make it work with Dataplicity, we need to provide parameter port, which should be 80. That's because Dataplicity wormhole feature that allows us to host our web page in the internet from Raspberry Pi works on the port 80. So let's activate wormhole, and here we can find link. When clicking on it, we can achieve our LlamaCPP chat. Here we can set up some parameters, for example, reduce temperature to 0 to make model more predictable. And down there we can start conversation with our chat. And now it works as chat. Thank you for watching. See you.